and welcome back to my kitchen, where I thought I'd share with you guys one of my favorite healthy St. Potter's Day recipes. Don't know if that's a good Irish accent, and I think I'm a little bit Irish, so should be one I should be able to do, but that's not how it's done on this top of the morning. Nope, round two did not work either. So no more Irish accents for the rest of this video. I even got my green shirt on for you guys to spice this video up, make it festive, even though it is a crop top. And wearing a crop top when it's 30 degrees makes no sense. Anyways, I want to share with you guys my healthy version of the Shamrock shake. Trademark McDonald's. I don't know if I'm allowed to say the name of their product in the video that I'm making. I don't know the rules. But yeah, I grew up obsessed with the Shamrock shake. It was always my favorite time of year whenever McDonald's would have it. I had a horrible diet growing up, and especially in high school. I had a fast metabolism, so I thought that meant that I could eat whatever I wanted. Which was true. My body wouldn't change. I wouldn't really gain weight, but I had headaches all the time. I was always tired. I took like 3 naps a day, constantly having stomach issues and stomach problems and acne. I just didn't put 2 and 2 together that food is so much more than just your weight. So that being said, when Shamrock shake time came around, I would literally go every day after school in my hand-me-down Dodge Dakota truck that stopped a lot. Yes, I was a very glamorous girl with my pickup truck in high school. I'd go every day after school and get a Shamrock shake. And yes, I will still get Shamrock shakes from McDonald's, but I try to limit to 1 per season. So I found a healthy way to make one at home that I wanted to share with you guys. So, put on your aprons, because we're about to make a smoothie. So first, you're going to start with a cup of almond milk. I'm using the original unsweetened. You could also use coconut milk or oat milk. You're going to do 1 cup of it. I personally hate when people say, oh, I'm gonna do a Coke, or I'll do a martini, or I'll do a cup of almond milk. That kind of annoys me, but I find myself doing it a lot. Oh shoot, I'm almost out of almond milk. Did not think that through. Improvise and add can I do coconut milk and almond milk? I think so. So I'm just gonna use the rest with coconut milk. Really scratch that idea. I am not sure how the taste of almond milk and coconut milk will mesh together, so I'm just gonna use water. If it turns out too watery, then you know what, I'll just say to heck with it, and I'll add the coconut milk afterwards. But now I'm just going to do, sorry, I did it again. I'm going to add I'd say, I'm almost have a cup of almond milk. It's just like a tiny little smidgen of water. Maybe more than a smidgen, because this blender is cheap and it takes a lot of liquid to get the frozen stuff blended well. Then I'm going to skedaddle on over to the freezer and cut up half of an avocado that I put in the freezer last night, and a frozen banana, also cut up. Don't know if you already know this, probably most of you do. The smaller things are, the easier it is for your blender to it on up. And I know you're thinking, why on earth am I putting an avocado in a Shamrock shake, which is traditionally a sweet mint smoothie? But here's the thing, avocado is very bland, which is why a lot of people don't like it. It's why I used to not like just plain avocados. But that's what's great about them, is because you can take avocados and you can make chocolate pudding out of them, and they just have a really great texture, and it adds that thick creaminess to a milkshake, and it's super healthy for you, like super good fats. By the way, the whole hate on plain avocados, totally get it, been there, lived that life. But if you put salt, pepper, and Cholula, it's amazing. Well, you could put Cholula on anything, and I think I would like it. Tip if you want to get on the avocado bandwagon but you're just not feeling it. The avocado will give it also that green flavor, so you can really have a nice picture of it for your Instagram story. I'm just gonna do half of a banana because I don't want the banana flavor. Oh, actually, you know what? Last time I made it, the banana flavor was a little bit overwhelming, because this is how I cook and this is why I make videos for you guys. It's all trial and error. And last time I did use a banana, but it kind of tasted weird with the mint aspect. Sometimes you can throw a banana in smoothies and you won't really taste the banana flavor, but then other times it can be overpowering. And mint and banana aren't traditionally like flavors, and that, in my opinion, go together on a flavor palette. I don't know if that's right. Gordon Ramsay, can you confirm this for me? If you watch these videos, which I don't think you are because you'll be having a panic attack. So yeah, we're going to nix the banana. So sorry if you guys got that out for nothing. We're going to nix the banana and then just go straight to our fresh, oh my god, I lost my voice mid-sentence. Fresh mint. It doesn't have to be organic. This was just the only thing that was available at the grocery store near me. It isn't how minty you want to get. Mint is great By the way, for you, if you have stomach issues, when I was a kid, my mom had a fresh mint plant outside of her house, and whenever I had an upset stomach, she'd have me chew on these mint leaves, and it really, really helps. Oh, I love that smell. Just so fresh and so clean. I'm just gonna start with a little bit, and then we can build from it. Yeah, maybe one more. I like a good mint flavor thing, so I don't think it'll be too much. Then you're gonna take vanilla extract and use, I don't really use measuring things exactly, but just kind of play it by ear. You know, you don't want to dump the whole bottle. I guess a teaspoon would be what most people who know how to cook would say, but I just say a little bada bing, bada boom, a little dash of it, you know. Next, you're gonna take a sweetener of your choice. It could be honey, it could be agave, maple syrup. I have honey, but I'm just gonna use stevia because that, to me, has the least amount of flavor. Not in a bad way, I just feel like sometimes I can just really pick up the taste of honey, and I'm out of agave. So I'm gonna go stevia for this one. Should probably have a spoon for this. Last time I tried to eyeball it and not use a spoon, I ended up dumping like half of the container in the blender. I'm just gonna do 1.5 spoonfuls. And now we blend it on up by pushing random buttons on the blender. I'm gonna go with the standard blend. And basically my rule of thumb when blending is I just go until you can't see the chunks anymore and it just looks like one big thing. We're gonna do the spoon test to see if it's ready or if it needs a little doctoring up. I think it needs a little bit more sweetness in my opinion. So I'm gonna add a little bit more vanilla extract and a little bit more stevia. If you're keeping tabs, that was about 4 teaspoons now of vanilla extract and 4 tablespoons, or 4, it's not really a tablespoon, it's just a kitchen spoon, 4 kitchen spoons of stevia. Test round 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more mint. So now this is 3 cloves of mint. Again, cooking is all, in my opinion, about playing it by ear and just experimenting. I don't really believe in laid out measurements. All right, taste test number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. It's time to plate it. It is a St. Patty's Day video, so of course I have to use a pint to drink it out of. And I drink smoothies out of pints all the time because I always have big portions. Okay, that did not turn out as big as I thought it was going to be. That's what she said. I don't know if that's okay to make that joke on this channel, but hey, they make it on The Office, so. Then you remember to unplug your blender. I'm always paranoid about leaving things plugged in. Like when I leave my apartment, I unplug everything. Like my toaster, cell phone chargers, lamps. I don't know why, it's just an irrational fear of mine that something plugged in is going to like start a fire. Can someone confirm or deny this paranoia? Or am I just doing this and it's just probably saved me a little bit of electricity? Bottoms up. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Look how cute and green and festive it is. I don't want you all to go in this and make this and say, this does not taste like a McDonald's Shamrock shake, because this isn't pumped full of horrible chemicals and fake ingredients that taste amazing though. It's full of real, good for you ingredients that also taste amazing, but I'm not gonna sit here and tell you this is as good as a Shamrock shake. But in my opinion, it is pretty damn close, and I feel a lot better about myself after drinking it because I know the food in it is going to give me fuel for energy and not make me feel sluggish and bloated and gross. And this way, I can feel okay about having a Shamrock shake every day of March. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple little recipe. If you guys end up making this recipe, definitely tweet me or hit me up on Instagram, pictures of it or your twist on it. I love hearing from you guys when you make my recipes. And if you're someone like me, I hope this goes to show you can still try to cook. You can still make quick, healthy, easy, amazing snacks, meals, and dishes. It's all about trial and error. Sometimes you might accidentally blow up a bottle of Pam, but that's just how it goes. Also, if there's any other specific recipes you guys would like me to cook for you, or recipes you want to see me try, I'd love that too. If you guys sent me healthy recipes and then I'll just film myself trying to cook it, that might be a very mistake-filled video, but I would do it for you guys and just put my twist on it, I guess, and I don't know, add Cholula to it probably. I'm gonna go finish chugging this bad boy. I'll catch y'all on the flip side.